Lakes is a wildlife management area. They do have these self-service pay stations. Here's the information for you. Day use permit, $3 per person, $6 per non-commercial vehicle. That's us. A day use permit also is available online for an annual pass. This is where we are right now. We are up here on Canoe Creek Road, and this is the entrance. There's a hunting camp entrance up here. This road does meander through here, makes a cool way to come in, but right now we're at the road that goes down to the boat camp, and we're gonna meet Clay and Jenny right about here somewhere. There's wildlife viewing, hunting, hiking, paddling, boating, bicycling, horseback riding, fishing, and camping. But let's head on out. Let's go find Clay and Jenny. But first, for me, what I want to do, and probably Randy too,
yes,
is take off my window. Half doors are pretty easy. You just lift up your window and off it goes. It's bumpy and it is a washboard road, so be prepared for that. They've done a prescribed burn out here on one side of the road. Prescribed burns are essential for Florida because it gets rid of invasive species. It also opens up travel for animals and causes fresh grass to grow up, which the deer absolutely love. You can feel how bumpy it is. In the summer, anytime that you're walking around in any of the wildlife management areas, make sure that you have bug spray on, because in addition to mosquitoes and yellow flies, we do have ticks. And there are ticks around here that can bite you and make you pretty sick. Deer ticks do carry possibility of Lyme disease, so make sure that you check yourself regularly. But the best defense is bug spray. Let's go.
Well, good to see you guys.
Hi.
Hi.
You know this is hanging out, right?
Hey. Good to have you back.
Oh, thanks. It was a pretty nice ride. We saw a lot of birds and stuff.
Did you?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Rob's in there. Chris is also in it. Christine. And you know the rest of them. And I got two more back here.
Hey, how are ya?
Welcome to the southern portion of Three Lakes. Throughout most of the year, there's a gate that's closed. Throughout hunting season, from about April to September, it's open and you can freely travel between the two. So we have met up with Clay and Jenny, and we're heading out to the half bridge out here before it gets too dark. And this is a pretty stock friendly trail ride that's more about scenery than it is about testing your Jeep's capabilities. Now, when it becomes rainy season, you're going to be putting a little more test on your vehicle, especially on the southern portion where the loop is. We're going to go through that tonight.
Certain times of year, this area floods. I don't know if you can see those flowers. There's some of the pink flowers coming out. Certain times of year, they're beautiful. The field is full of them.
This is a little trail off the main road. It does lead to two places. Trail number 13, which is a little one-way loop that runs to the south a little bit till it hits an area where there's a farm back there. There'll be signs that say turn around, no vehicles past this point. But it also leads to a cement bridge that only goes halfway across Jackson Canal. This bridge looks like a great place to go fishing, so bring your fishing pole.
little baby over here. Baby what? Baby gator.
This area is a lot drier than what it normally is.
All right, Jenny.
She got me, and I miss Jenny. I missed you, girl.
I didn't think I was going to get you like that.
I said I missed you.
I love going through the photos.
Road 8. Got both.
Hopefully that looked good from a distance.
Yeah.
The girl's going to soak them wet back there.
Say hi, Sadie. This is your chance.
Hey. Probably one of my favorite times of day to come out.
There's something in front of us. I think there's a fox in front of us or a coyote.
say Steve made me able to come? Oh, they're here.
Road 10, road 9. Attention visitor, that says something.
Yeah, that may have something to do with the grasshopper sparrow, or maybe something.
I'm so glad to hear about it.
Yeah.
They're all closed up. I wish those flowers were open so I could take pictures of it and show them to you. They're really big, hand-sized flowers, pink when they're all opened. A lot of people don't realize this observation tower's out here. It's just so nice to come out here and look.
He's going to get the gators. My dog. They're cruising along.
I want to go out to Trail 18 real quick.
Okay.
If that's all right.
Yep, send it.
Got a person on a bicycle on our left.
I'm going to go nice and slow. The deer are off on our left.
There's some deer.
Got them.
This little area does have sugar sand.
Wouldn't eat it. Christine and I would fill our freezer. all
Looks like the
time.
side-by-sides have been down this little road. It's all tore up going in and out of it.
I thought they weren't supposed to be in here.
I didn't think so either, but during hunting season, I've seen them out here before, but it's usually just the little quads for the hunters to use. But that was a razor and some side-by-side out here.
Thought it was a pig. I'm pretty sure it was a pig that was back there.
Yeah, I've seen pigs in that little area there plenty of times. Also deer. They like that area.
I'd be perfectly fine if it rained on us on the way home. We did a ride up at Ocala and it was super red muddy. The Jeeps were filthy. And then it started raining while we were up there, and it rained all the way home. Perfect. So when I got home, looked the next day, I looked around the Jeeps, there was no mud underneath the Jeeps. I said, hallelujah. I was not looking forward to laying on the ground with a pressure washer again. When you hit that, it's going to be an excitement. Whoops. Locker engaged. Sorry.
Well, that has been our night ride, kinda, out at Three Lakes. We saw some alligators, some deer, didn't see any snakes. Did get to see a snake skin, some fish, but a fox. But this has just been a night ride out here. It's Sunday night. You can hear how loud the cicadas are, and it's starting to sprinkle. But I'm Matt.
I'm Bill.
Christine,
Rob.
Jenny,
Sadie.
Ariana, Randy.
I'm Clay.
And this has been a Florida Jeep Ride. We'll see you on the next trail ride.